is not such a great idea. When I look at you, I see this very hard line. I see a lot of forehead here. You pull everything away, you know, you've got great shape, great features. But I think we need to interject a little bit more fun into your look. Okay.
Goo.
How would you feel about that?
Nickolas. Hey, baby. What are you doing? You doing some tummy time? You're kind of sliding. Huh? You're kind of sliding there. Yeah? Where are you going? What are you doing?
Unless you don't get it colored well. And it's time for me to have some fun with my razor. It's definitely going to be softer and it's definitely going to be more playful. Are you ready to see the new you? Yes.
Nickolas. What are you doing? Zzzz. 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 Is that funny? Zzzz. Is that spit coming out there, baby boy? Yeah. Your eye looks kind of funny. But it really isn't. It's just the way the light hits, huh? Zzzz. Zzzz. Yeah. Tell me about it. Yeah. 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 See, it's funny, huh? It's funny. And pause. Oh, this is not as fun. This is not as fun.